I did not want to have to tell you this. I did not want to have to make this video, but honestly, I don't want to cry anymore, and I don't want to cry tomorrow. So I'm just going to rip the band-aid off and tell you what's what. I had my egg retrieval yesterday. Of the 11 follicles I had, they retrieved 5 eggs. I got a call from the lab today. Let me stop real quick, and sorry, I've been blowing my nose today, so like I'm a mess. But I was very upset yesterday with 5 eggs. Like, I truthfully was hoping we were going to get more. If you've ever been through IVF, or if you even know anything about it, you want the more eggs the better, right? You increase your chances. So I'm not gonna lie, I had a like cry sesh like for probably an hour. Like, the doctor's like, yeah, we got 5 eggs. I'm like, 5 eggs? Like, I'm start crying. I feel terrible, and I cried for a while. So I was upset yesterday. This is a roller coaster, okay? And then I got a call from the lab today, and was not good news. Of the 5 eggs I had, 5 were mature, which is good. None of them fertilized, and I'm pretty positive we did the ICSI. And yeah, none of them fertilized still. So yeah, I'm pretty devastated, to say the least. I just want good news for once. Like, if you've ever struggled with infertility, it feels like a punishment. I'm sorry. When you struggle with infertility, you feel like you are being punished, and I can't figure out what I did wrong to be punished like this. And I know it, I'm not being punished, but it feels that way. I'm so sorry for crying. I'm back at square one. I have an appointment with my doctor. Next week. Just what happened. You know, we only got 5 eggs. The other follicles were empty. What happened, and why did they not fertilize? So I want to get some answers. Listen, guys, I appreciate everybody's support, but right now I do not want to hear that maybe it's a sign that I'm not meant to be a mom. Maybe I need to take that as a sign. I don't want to hear it. I've already told myself that. And I'm not being rude, I have nothing against adoption or fostering. I think it's beautiful. It is an option I may consider in the future, and it's not off the table. My husband and I have already talked about this. I will be a mom one way or the other one day, but I don't need someone telling me that I need to adopt. I need to skip all this and just go adopt.